So the first things that I want to highlight in the back, remember these two symbols that you see here? This means that these two lines are parallel. This little symbol right here, that's the symbol for parallelism. All right? And remember, what's the one thing we said about triangles? Triangles are chopped in thirds. So as you can see this whole entire line, this parallel line VU looks like it's 2/3 of TR. So let's see what everything they get is. We gotta find this distance here. We gotta find that distance. And remember, everything is chopped in thirds. 1/3 and 2/3 is usually what we got. So what did they give us? They gave us RT. So this entire line here is 15. We'll keep that one here in the blue. UV, its parallel partner. Yeah, I'll put that in different colors.
Really?
UV is 10 feet. That really don't show. Hold on. Can you see that now? I'm not feeling these colors. Okay, that one works. So this one is 10 feet. What do we know? As I was just stating earlier, that every line is in thirds. So what do you think UV is to RT compared to thirds? You think it's 1/3 of RT or is it 2/3 of RT? It's definitely 2/3. Keep that in mind because we're going to need that in a minute. And then we got RS here, this entire distance. This entire distance here on the bottom is 6. This whole boat. I'm going to bring it down. How can I write that? Like this. Yeah, that distance is 6. So we need, right here in the white, we just need that part. What do you think US is? Oh, come on. I think this was an easy one. No. As far as thirds. Do you think this is 1/3 or 2/3 of RS? So how can we, let's try to figure out a formula that we can write to solve for US. What's a formula we can make it at? We can say that US,
Students and teachers, please pardon this interruption. Students, please meet me in the cafeteria. If you met with me yesterday for a uniform violation, at this time, please come down to the cafeteria so we can follow up. Again, do not have me come looking for you guys. I need you to come down to the cafeteria at this time. Thank you.
All right. So 2/3, I would say 2/3 of RS. 2/3 of this distance of RS equals what? Well, 2/3 of the distance of RS gives us US. Let me pause right there to see if y'all can understand that. 2/3 of this entire distance RS equals US, which we happen to be looking for. So we can call US, well, everything that we can label. RS we know is valued at what? RS is valued at what? No, RS. Line segment RS is valued at what? 6. So 2/3 of 6 is going to give us our US, which we're looking for. We'll call that X. So therefore, this would be an easy one here. 2 times 6 makes
2 times 6 makes 12.
divided by 3 makes
4.
So our answer here, X is 4.
See, I was right.
Because you're a genius. Just remember who told you. All right, we're gonna need some of that genius power over here, Carlos.
Wait.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't erase it.
No, it's up there. Ugh.
Nah, I was trying to make it go big.
I mean, this couldn't come take that smaller.
And then you were
Lab, you with us? We're gonna need some of that thinking power too. We're gonna need your big brain energy.
So what, we don't have big brain energy? Why you asking for our big brain energy?
Yeah, why you ask us?
My guess,
What are you
20.
Yeah.
Hmm?
What are you asking us?
My guess, yeah, 20.
So how do you have a big brain energy?
Hey,
Because if each triangles look the same, and the triangle looks about half the
you want
size.
one gift?
So if
What do you mean?
it's half the size, then times 2.
You like 1 8 gift?
I already gave you a phone number.
You know what gift y'all can give me? Scored like 70% on this
Chocolate? I got
geometry EOC.
Mr.
I'm
Richard, what's your
giving
birthday?
away that girl chocolate.
Mr. Richard, what's your birthday?
In May.
Oh,
May what?
May what?
Why do you wanna say
It
it?
may.
Why don't you wanna say
May
it?
what?
I don't know, I can find out.
It's the 20th.
May 27.
Wait, Mr. Richard.
20th, yeah.
Or
We have to do
22?
math for this.
is it 25?
25? 23?
Wait, let me
It's
think.
like the 20th.
19?
Oh my god. Why don't you wanna say the date?
On number
Yo.
2,
Can you do
That's so
four?
weird. I'm gonna
32.
figure it out.
number 2,
29?
He said 2.
nah, DE is what?
22.
D is 20.
Ooh, I think we gonna need some pipe tag for this one, y'all. This look like pipe tag.
What was it? A equals
Hold up.
B.
D
Wait,
is
are you
20.
sure it's not 25?
Hold on, DE is 20.
No, it might not be 25.
It Right.
is 25.
F8,
Yes.
Wait, mom.
Watch, it's gonna be 25.
I look like this.
F8,
8.
Because,
You know, sometimes the
8
big
divided by
I can't fix it.
and remember, look here,
1.25.
that this is a
20.
perpendicular bisector on, nope, we got a 90-degree angle here. Oh, hey, gang, hold on.
25.
So we got FH at 8, DE at 20. This looks like we might need some pipe tag. I
It's
don't
gonna
know.
be 25.
Hold on, let's see. Lev is saying he's going with 25. Let's see what else we got. FG, FG is 10. So we got this baby triangle here, and what are they looking for? Oh, this long distance of BF. Okay. Ooh, okay.
How we gonna do
Ouch.
it? Yo, what if I could,
My knee.
what if I go like this?
That's what they're in the class and I got a 1.
Well, if I'm looking at this to take a good guess, I'm going to get this line segment BF here. I would take this over here. This here means what? What do we have here? This line here is the dead giveaway. I think this is the money.
90 degrees.
Yeah. We got a 90-degree angle here, so that means it's 90-degree here, meaning this is a bisector. So if this side is 8, this side also got to be,
No, Mr.
Hey.
Richard, it's way simpler than that.
hold on, we gonna work it out. I know how your brain thinks, so remember you think
Alright,
quick.
bro.
Me telling you.
So we're gonna try to lay it all out.
I don't even know if
So
I need
here,
to-
you've got 20 here, we're gonna use a Pythag theorem here. So what is the distance of FE?
No, the thing is, we don't even need this.
Hold on, Lev. What's the distance of FE?
16.
16. So we'll mark this one as 16. Now, if you look here, we already got one leg, we got another leg, and we see that this is a right triangle, so we can use Pythag theorem. So we'll call this A, we'll call this B, and this will be our hypotenuse. Remember that word from yesterday? I think one of y'all seen that, it was a big word. The hypotenuse, remember, is always the longest side of the triangle. So using A squared plus B squared is going to give us the value of C squared. Our A will be 16 to the what?
Second power.
Plus 20 to the second power should give us C squared. Calculators, what's 16 squared?
Wait, I have a question. How do you know that you're supposed to do that?
256.
If you look at it, because it's a right triangle. 16 squared make what?
256.
256 plus, what's 20 squared is 400. I remember that one. So we add these two up, we should get 656 as our C squared. So C squared equals 656, and we gotta take the square root of that. And what's the square root of 656?
It's because your thing is not.
What'd it say?
25.6124.
Okay, 25.6. I'll take that. It's right on.
Okay, so, okay.
25.6. Now hold on, let me hear what Lev got. He's got,
25.
try to share us your genius. We got 25.6, the correct answer is 25.
Yeah, it's
What you was saying, Lev, you had another way of getting there?
Yeah,
What you got?
you don't even need to do like the FE. So the thing is, the triangles are like the same. You can just do the ratio. Because-
Perpendicular. I mean,
Yes.
proportional.
Yes, because there is a 90-degree angle.
I don't understand this conversation.
And like FD.
No, I hear what he's saying. Go ahead. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
and like angle F is the same the same like the same as angle G, right?
Mm-hmm.
So angle D is the same as angle F on the small one. So we can just do ratio. We can just divide 10 by 8. We get 1.25, and then
And that's the same thing you should get on this side.
yes, and then 20 multiplied by 1.25.
That also works too. So your way works as well as mine.
Wait, but can you show us his
Yeah, but
way?
mine is
Like,
just
without-
You wanna see what he was talking about? All right, let me
Yeah.
show you exactly what he meant.
Yeah,
So,
it should be easier than that.
no, it's, remember, you can get multiple ways, so he's not
Yeah.
wrong.
It's personal.
So, all right, so what he was doing is he's actually using the proportional similarity and proportion. What he's saying is that these two triangles are similar. If you can see that angle F and G are similar, right? So
Yeah.
you really could turn, if we were to turn this triangle would look similar like this, if you were to turn it. So now you would have, your G would be here, your H would now be here, and your F would be here. Do you see now what we did here when we rotated it? So now they're similar. So if DE is 20, you can just follow along what they gave us. FH is also 20, so we're using that similarity. Are y'all following along?
Yeah.
So, who's lost? And they gave you the value of, what was this, GH? Did they give us GH? Or they gave us FH? It's 8, they gave us 28 over here. So he's taking this proportion of 20 over 8, and he's gonna set it to the same thing that we should have here on the other side. What did they give us? FG was 10, right? And so we're looking for C. So remember, this C value has to also be proportionate to this 10 value over here. So we'll call that C over 10. So all he did here was that the value of C would just be cross multiplied 20 times 10, and then if you divide it by 8, you should get
Dude, that's
So
way
I
easier than whatever you were
5.
doing before.
And then.
Okay, remember,
and
it's
then
2
I-
ways you can show it. If that works for you, you can do that too.
What number turns 8 into 20?
Trying to show us
Which is
the artist,
2.5. And I multiply 10.
We'll do it both ways. Remember, one way works for some
Yeah, that's
people, another way
25.
works for
That
others.
works.
Yeah, I'm not against
I love that one.
You wanna do that way, you can.
What?
Proportional way.
The way I did it.
Oh, you got a way too?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go with yours. Let's talk about your way to get there. Hopefully it gets the correct answer, but those both
Yeah, you got it.
work.
Because I got 25.
Remember that he's using the notes from yesterday that every side has to be proportional with each other. Can I slide?
No.
Oh, y'all still getting it? Alright.
Oh,
Hits.
Calculus is short for calculator, by the way.
Hmm? Alright, we're gonna slide down to number 3 and get those proportions on. Hmm?
Why didn't my fucking wife go through the
Hot spot?
Finish it, finish it.
Hmm? Hmm?
Finishing.
damn.
Finish eating.
We are sliding. I gotta make moves. I gotta finish it.
Yo, having chemistry after this is crazy.
Yeah, doing
I don't even know what we're doing. We already know.
What
That's what she
is
said.
chemistry?
Five kind of easy.
We don't know. We're just she doesn't know how to teach.
Alright. Let's talk these 3 and 4.
Pero ahí después del colegio.
Alright. Back to the line segments again.
Después dijo,
I call it
Alright, who's with me?
me.
Alright, I got VZ. VZ.
VZ is 7. Wow.
Hmm.
I think
Okay.
I'm on the wrong track here.
VZ is 7.
Here.
Did that show up? I don't think that's showing up.
I know the answer. I just want to show you.
Use proportions. Remember, you got 2 triangles that's in there that's similar.
Yeah, but
This is extremely easy. Is
VY is what now?
no, I have the answer.
Is 3.
I just don't know.
So from here it's
Multiply
3.
16 by numbers and you get 28. Or
And then
you just-
VW, the entire boat, this entire triangle is what? Mhm. Okay, so I see the similarities here. So this one here
I know that.
is 14. I'm gonna separate the two triangles so you can kind of see how they are.
That's
I'm gonna take them apart.
How I divided.
So this smaller triangle, I'm gonna put it up here so you can kind of see the both, so you can kind of see both of them. This is VW here that we're taking apart with the Z that's here, and those numbers are 3 and 7. Now remember, we can play the proportion game. And then we have the bigger triangle. I'm gonna erase these because do you see how I took this small triangle and placed it here?
Yeah.
Translation, all right? So now I'm gonna erase it so you can see the bigger side. Ignore this small part in here. You can kind of see the big triangle now that you're gonna be comparing it to of X, V,
Can I get this for a sec?
and W. As you can see, they're both similar, but this time they told you that the VW is 14. We can use those proportions again to get this. This is what we're looking for. We'll call this our B value. This is what we need right here. We need the value of B. So what's the proportion that I can set up again? What proportion can I set up again? Remember, you want to compare I'll show you what you can see. If you notice, you can keep the 3/7 here. And it's gotta be proportioned to what on this side here in white.
X over 14.
Huh?
X over 14.
X over 14 is correct.
Which one?
Clean up the.
In this case, we'll call it B so you can see it for the case. Becomes B over 14. Abby, you got this because Aaliyah is on point.
I fight 3 just.
No, she good?
I'm talking about 10
Huh?
times.
Not sure.
I'm like, I'm
You don't see what we did? We just took this smaller triangle here and we placed it there.
Well, I think it's for 6.
It don't matter, it don't matter.
Alright, well, all you're doing is for B, you have to just multiply what two numbers? 14 times 3 and divide by 7. What's 14 and 3 become? Yo.
42.
42, yep. And then 42 divided by 7, my answer is, you got it. You got it.
I was close.
You got it.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, remember that the proportions, just break down similarity and proportion.
Got it.
These people are going to call us.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
No, imagínate para.
How's your life been so with you? Good?
Una mata.
Can I borrow this?
¿Cómo vas a sacar?
Alright. Yeah, if you already done, just kind of check your answers, make sure you're good. Camila, we good?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No, ya va, wait.
Maldito. Malteado.
Alright, you can kind of see the two triangles in number 4. Can I erase?
Right there.
Alright. Alright, you can see the two triangles here in number 4. You can see the PRQ and the SRT are the two. So let's see what they gave us. In the white triangle, the bigger one, your PQ is 30. Your RQ is 27. So that's the two that they gave us in the big triangle. Interior triangle that's similar to it here in red, and I'm gonna take this one out, separate it, I'm gonna put this one over here that you can see. So we can compare this white triangle with this red triangle that was in the interior. And they gave us what?
18.
RT is 18. We need the similar side X of ST. Well, I color coordinated everything. All you kind of do is just keep the fractions together as they are. How can I set this up as a proportion?
18 over 27.
18 over what?
27.
Okay.
And
Gotta
then
be similar to what?
X over 30.
Somebody ate their Wheaties this morning. Let's go. So X gonna be what? Cross multiply what? What two numbers am I multiplying?
30 and 18.
And then divided by 27 S X S.
Is it 20?
There with that big brain energy. Hold on. He might have did all of that in his brain.
It is
18
20.
times 30. Divided by 27. He eyeballed it. Yeah. 20 right on the nose. That's crazy, Dale. How you got that?
I did it different way.
What you do?
So like 27 divided by 9 is 3, right? And Q divided by 3 is 30. No, wait.
You said 9? Where did you
30
get 9?
divided by 3 is 10, right? So 18 divided by 9 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 10 is 30.
However you see it, my man. I think your brain thinks like that thing there. That's why I got that. I do.
Maybe.
It's, everybody's brain is different, man. So you see it differently.
But like, what did he say, bro?
He said something about a 9.
I don't
see
know,
that.
but whoever was listening, they probably got it. Because whatever he did, he had the answer correct. Can I erase in the back?
Yeah.
All right. 2 more and then y'all good to go. Now, y'all gonna hate me, but after 2 more, you're gonna have one that's just like this, but it won't be doing till tomorrow. And then for the rest of class, y'all got 2 assignments. One is in the pair assessment, and the other one is in the Khan Academy.
And this is all due tomorrow?
You got it. By your class.
I know that's right.
Mr. Winter,
You gonna finish one of them before today.
it's already 8:23.
You good?
He was like so innocent.
You got it.
I just want
The accolades. Boy.
I was gonna see some more that's what
Alright. 2 similar triangles again. Similar triangles, they similar. Let's put the DE, 21, CE, 28. Easy money, I think this is, yeah?
Yeah,
I think I have frostbite.
CA is 24. Oh, they gave us the top one too. DC is 35. Not bad. So they gave the entire triangle up there. What do they want us to give? Oh, we gotta give AB and BC. So all I think we need to do is figure out the proportion for one. Alright, so let's get this first one. We'll call it, actually we'll call this A. And then we'll call this one B.
Sure.
Alright, so the first proportion for A, you can set it up as
8 over 28.
21 over 28, right? Because we comparing those two, compared to
24 over 8.
24 over A. Now, what am I multiplying?
A and 21.
What?
You mean, isn't it supposed to be 24?
What 2 numbers am I multiplying? Cross
28,
multiplying 28 and 24 divided by 21. Left.
Was that an
What?
8 or a 9?
Oh, I thought you was gonna saw that one in your head.
No, I just know the answers.
where you got 9 from? Oh.
That's A. That's an A.
Oh,
That's A. I thought he did those numbers in his head. 28 times 24 divided by 21 make what?
I don't know.
Mm,
You the one
there.
with the calculator.
I did.
Wait,
I've
what-
seen if you
what's
can
it,
do it. He the human calculator.
What was the question?
28 times 24 divided by 21.
More than that, Jeff.
Melina. Oh my God. Nicole. That's correct. 32 is correct. Then I'm gonna call Melina Nicole all day.
Wait.
All
BC
year.
is
One day
40.
I'll get it right.
BC is 40.
5 and 6.
Huh?
BC is 40.
Wait a minute. Lab's calling a prediction. BC is what?
40.
Alright, Lab's going with 40. Let's see how he did.
I also think it's 4.
You also do? Alright, so we gonna go the long way.
All of them are just ratio.
Yeah, I know. But I still wanna show, cause some people, remember how you get it? They gotta see it a little different.
Plus
No,
7
I'm
is
gonna
28.
set it up as the same
24
way.
plus 7 is 32.
Right, you
It's
wanna
7
give
to
B.
8. So like DEC7 and
Yo, like this,
CVB8.
look, it's different numbers.
Now, you can just kind of use any proportion again to get B.
I'm really food.
So I'll use 28 over
No, you just
32.
get like 35 divided by 7 and multiply by 8.
Well, I'm gonna stick to the script so with them in the back so they can get it. So I'll take this 28 over 32. It's gotta equal what? Oh, hold on. Color coordinate, my bad.
Actually, no, I kind of forgot to take my first.
The 28 from EC over the 32 from AB has to equal to what?
B over 35.
35 sobre
B.
B. And what two numbers am I multiplying?
35 and 32.
35 times 32 divided by 28. And that makes that what again?
Divided by 28.
35 times 32 divided by 28, yeah.
Well,
What was that was y'all said? 40?
40.
Yeah. Excellent job. Hey, we can cut it off. I know y'all saying y'all want time to finish the homework. We don't gotta finish this last one. We'll leave that for number 6. Y'all can do that when at home, that's viewing.
Talking to
Yeah, to whoever viewing it. Yeah.
Number 3 should look.
Somebody,